Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Don't need to ask you if it's hot. It's hot as hell outside. I got something for y'all to cool you off, though. Blue Long Island iced tea. And here's what you need to make it. You need an equal amount of everything, baby. You need vodka, white rum or light rum, tequila, gin, triple sec, simple syrup, lemon juice, cola, and you're going to garnish it with a lemon. So I'm telling you right now, if you're new to my page, hit that subscribe, that like button. If you're coming back, thank you for coming back. Nice to see you. Now, you know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to make Long Island iced tea. I'm going to give you all a peek at my bar here. I'm going to let you know that most of the stuff on my bar is in decanters. I don't have it in bottles, so I'm not able to put the bottles up there. I can just put the drink and the recipe up there. All right, you know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get to it. So you know the first thing I tell you, open all your bottles, have it ready so you can just assemble this drink and you good to go, baby. All right, that's the scoop I'm using, so everything I do is gonna be the same amount. So that is light rum, this is now vodka, same amount, same measurements for every single thing that's going into this drink. So, tequila. All right, now what I did was I used a gold rum, which this drink calls for lighter, but it worked. But ideally, if you can, just use all white drinks for this drink. But if you got a light gold drink or something like that, you can put that in. It won't affect the color at all. It will still turn out to be blue. So okay, as you can see up on the screen, what I'm putting up there, I'm putting the ingredients, but I'm going to list them down below in the description box. If you're new to my page, hit that like, subscribe button, share, tell your friends, tell your family. Now, if you're watching again, thank you. Thank you for coming back. I appreciate the support. Now let's get on back to this drink. It's already hot as hell outside. Let's mix our drink and drink it. All right, cool. So now, at this point, I'm going to give this a shake. This is everything except the blue curacao and the Sprite. You keep hearing me say cola in the video. I actually mean Sprite. Cola goes into a normal Long Island iced tea, but if you're going to make it blue or you're going to change colors with the Long Island, then you've got to use a clear pop, a Sprite or a lemon lime. You've got to. Okay, so now, shake that up a little bit. Get it incorporated real good. We're almost at the end of this drink. It's that quick. This is the quickest tutorial ever. You wouldn't believe it. All right, same amount as I said. So Sprite goes in now. Same amount of Sprite. And then it's going to be the same amount of blue curacao. So we're going to put the same amount. Yep. You don't have to be exact measurements. It's a drink. For goodness sake, it's a drink. Whoo, but this one, child, I tell you, going to give you a little buzz. First of all, it's so good that you can't taste the liquor in it like that. You don't know that it's so much liquor in it. Oh my goodness. All right, so I'm getting my glass. I got a lime garnish on the side, but actually I'm going to switch out and put a lemon. I think the lemon looked a little prettier. And plus it's lemon juice in the drink. So the rule of thumb, you know, with garnishes is you always garnish with something that's inside of your food or drink. So I'm going to garnish it with a lemon because I've got lemon juice in here, which you can use fresh squeezed lemon juice if you want to. It works. All right, pour that Blue Island in there, baby, that Blue Long Island. I done called it Blue Island everything. I am hot and I am waiting to drink. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, yes. That is beautiful. I like that. See, told you, garnished it with a lemon. See y'all later. Thanks for watching Savory Spices. See y'all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.